Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make 6 different sweet summer cocktails that you can enjoy all summer long. First, I'm going to show you how to make simple syrup since you'll need it for 2 drinks in this video. All you need to do is add 1 part sugar and 1 part water to a saucepan. I'm using 1 cup of each. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, give it a stir and make sure all the sugar has dissolved. Remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. Let's start with our first drink, a frozen Strawberry Daquiri. For this drink, you'll need a lime, white rum, simple syrup, and frozen and fresh strawberries. Wash about 4 fresh strawberries and slice the tops off. Slice your lime in half. Juice your lime until you have about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Make sure you remove any seeds if they come out. Grab a blender cup and add your fresh strawberries, lime juice, a 1/4 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 1 shot of rum. Blend everything up until smooth. Pour your drink into a nice glass and garnish it with a lime slice or a fresh strawberry. And now you have a delicious frozen Strawberry Daquiri. The next drink I'll show you how to make is a Tequila Sunrise. All you'll need is tequila, orange juice, grenadine, and frozen pineapples. Grab a large pitcher and add 1 cup of tequila, 2 cups of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of grenadine, and 1/3 cup of frozen pineapple. Add as much ice as you'd like. I was serving this to friends on a really hot day, so I added a lot of ice. Pour your drink into a nice glass and garnish it with an orange slice. And now you have a delicious Tequila Sunrise. The next drink I'll show you how to make is a berry mojito. For this drink, you'll need a lime, mint, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, white rum, and club soda. Grab your lime and slice it into wedges. For each drink you make, you'll need 3 wedges for the drink and 1 for the garnish. Remove about 10 leaves of mint from its stem. Grab a nice glass and add your mint and lime slices. Use a muddler or a wooden spoon to push the juices out of the mint and lime. Add about a tablespoonful of frozen blueberries and around 4 or 5 slices of frozen strawberries. Muddle everything again and try to get a bit of juice out of those blueberries and strawberries. Add a shot of rum and fill the rest of the glass with ice and club soda. Give it a stir and garnish it with a lime wedge. And now you have a delicious berry mojito. The next drink I'll show you how to make is a frozen peach Bellini. For this drink, you'll need frozen peaches, peach schnapps, sparkling white wine, and grenadine. Grab a blender cup and add about 10 slices of frozen peaches. Add 1 ounce of peach schnapps and a half a cup of sparkling wine. Let the fizz die down, then blend it until smooth. Pour half of the mixture into a glass, then add a few drops of grenadine. Add the rest of the mix into the glass, then drizzle a bit more grenadine on top. Garnish it with the peach candy, then use a straw to swirl the grenadine around. And now you have a delicious peach Bellini. The next drink I'll show you how to make is a hard lemonade. For this drink, you'll need lemons, limes, white rum, and simple syrup. Roll out your lemons and limes before you cut them open. This will make it easier to get the juice out of them. Cut about 6 lemons in half and juice them. Remove any seeds that come out. Juice 2 limes as well. You'll need a total of 1.5 cups of lemon and lime juice. Grab a large pitcher and add your lemon and lime juice, 1 cup of white rum, half a cup of simple syrup, and 6.5 cups of water. Give it a taste and add more simple syrup or water if it's too sour for your taste. Pour it into a glass and garnish with a lemon slice and fresh mint. And now you have a delicious hard lemonade. The last drink I'll show you how to make is sangria. For this drink, you'll need a sweet red wine, peach schnapps, an orange, a Granny Smith apple, a lemon, and frozen strawberries. Slice the top and bottom off your orange, then slice it in half. Slice it into half again and cut it into large slices. You're going to do the same thing with your lemon. Slice the top and the bottom off, then slice it in half, and slice that half again. Cut it into slices that are about 1/4 inch thick. Slice your Granny Smith apple in half, then slice it in half again. Remove the seeds and stem, then slice each quarter in half. Cut it into large pieces. Grab a large pitcher and add your slices of orange, lemon, and apple. Add half a cup of frozen strawberries and 2 shots of peach schnapps. Use a wooden spoon to push some of the juices out of the fruit. Add 1 large bottle or 2 small bottles of red wine. Give it a good stir. Pour it into a wine glass, then garnish it with an orange slice. And now you have delicious sangria. I hope you'll give one of these drinks a try this summer. Let me know what your favorite drink is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.